Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. I found some good stuff. Those garbage cans, that's $100 worth of skinny garbage cans right there. Oh, hell yeah. Roll off in the rain, baby. Roll off in the rain. All these perfectly good chairs. Look at that. Oh. Power cord. Oh. What's that? Dude, this sucks. Look at these, it's these full packs of gloves, but they're all wet. Fuck. All these bloody garbage cans. They're doing some kind of these look nice. Was that salt? It's a tall bucket with a lid. Oh. We got a Keurig here. Could scrap that. Some stainless. Ooh. Some steel. Ooh. Paper tape. My photographer uses this stuff, so. It's like a blood pressure monitor. Well, I know where I'm coming back to in the next few days. They keep clearing out more of this stuff. Oh. That's nice. Some kind of medical facility. That's a nice garbage can though. I'm tempted to take all these garbage cans. Like there ain't nothing wrong with them. Like I paid, you know, 20 bucks for these garbage cans at Home Depot before. All right. So we got garbage cans, some paper tape and some wires, busted Keurig. Maybe it works. I don't really like Keurigs, so got some metal tubes, nice 6 or 7 gallon bucket, big thick table legs I can scrap. Oh, my shoes are getting wet. Son of a bitch. These are what I'm excited about though. These are like Slim Jim style garbage cans. And you buy them at Home Depot and they're 35, 40 bucks each. So literally $100 worth of garbage cans. And I work in a really small shop, so we need every space we can get. So these skinny ones come in handy. And then another cool garbage can and another leg. Not bad. Not bad at all.